Happy Friday. Welcome to another vlog, and she's here. It's Aaliyah. So, I was upstairs doing my makeup. Hope the lighting don't look like shit, but y'all know I have the darkest house in the world. I was upstairs doing my makeup and I realized I need to wax my eyebrows, and I never showed you guys on camera how I wax my eyebrows myself. I've been doing it since I lived in my apartment, and that was probably like, I've been doing it for the past 7-8 years. So on my own, yes. And then when I finally did, you know, slip up one time and go to the nail salon to get it done, they tore me up. So I do it myself. So I'm about to grab my equipment and then show you how I do it. All right, so this is my equipment. I literally sit it on the paper plate. It is the wax with, it's the wax with the stick, the popsicle stick right there. I know it looks dirty, but it don't have to be fancy. We're gonna take that off the plate. I'm out of breath like shit. We're gonna put it in the microwave. I usually put it on in 30-second increments. So that means 30 seconds stop, shake it up a little bit. You can stir it a little bit and put it back in. Little lighter. My microwave is not camera ready. Actually, the first cycle I'm gonna put on for a whole minute. That thing is, it hasn't been used in a while. So the type of sticks that I like to use is, I can pull this shit off. Okay, it looks ghetto because it got wax paper stuck to it. I got tissue wrapped around it so it won't stick to my hand. This is what you stir your coffee with. Like if you ever at work and you sit in a break room, they have like the coffee stirrers. That's what this is. So I was at work before and I seen one. I was like, green light went off. Then I purchased some from Amazon, I think, or a dollar store. I think the dollar store, honestly, Family Dollar, something like that. And then they work wonderful because when you buy this, it comes with the body size sticks. So it's the big ass wide popsicle stick because it's made for like your underarms or arm hair, leg hair. But I don't use it. And if you see my nails looking like this, that's because I have black polish on. My nails are not dirty, and I cannot get it off to save my life. I put it on for the date night last weekend. So watch that video. You know I'm about to pin it up in the corner somewhere. Okay. I am not dressed. I have one. Yeah. All right. So here it is after the first 1 minute of being in here. Usually I do it with the cap off. Okay. So listen, I did what I could to that counter. I may have to Google how to fix that, but I got what I could. I'm going to show you the consistency without me actually flipping my camera. So this is the consistency I'm looking for. There you go. Every time I record, I try to sit my camera on all this crap to bring my camera up to my height. Why don't I just go get a fucking chair and sit the camera down? So at this point in time, oh yeah, this is by Sally Hansen. I found this at CVS and all that shit. Hold on, let me get a thumbnail real quick. All right, yeah, last thumbnail. If you see my last video, the thumbnails don't be there, but the content be good. Just so you know. Let me get the stick. All right, I have a bunch of wax paper. All we need is one, and we cut this with scissors. So we're gonna just cut like this. I don't want it to fall on the floor, but this is how thin I want my strips. Just like this. So I'm gonna cut. We don't even need this full strip, honestly. I'm just gonna cut out 1, 2, 6. I'm just gonna cut the whole fucking strip. And so you get 10 strips out this whole thing. Stir it up. You want it to be like this when you pull out your first drop. I still wipe it off. And then, let me sit it down for a sec. All right, so we're just going to take this little scoop. I'm used to having my mirror right here, so I'm going to have to look in the mirror behind me. And y'all can still see. We're just gonna, oh my gosh, I hate that my nails look like this on camera. But remember, I can't get this polish off. Hold the skin taut and pull. And then you got something like this. You gotta do like this for it to focus. Yeah, you see? That's what I'm getting off. Yeah, so you want to make sure that you have a spoolie. All right, I'm back. I found my spoolie. I did get the black off my nails. It was driving me crazy just looking at it on camera. All right, so it still looks pretty hit right now, so that's a good thing, so I can really show y'all. So again, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to show you how much I got on here. I have this much. All right, let me scoop a little bit more off. Really take your time with this. Don't think that it's going to dry out all fast. Take a little bit off at a time. Go little by little, because if you take off too little hair, that's okay. You take off too much hair, child, you just stuck like that for like 2 weeks. You're just gonna look dumb as hell walking around. And I mean dumb. It happened to me. And yes, you could use a pencil to fix it, but I'm telling you, it looks much better with natural brow. 1, 2, 3. This paper does not hurt as much as the original paper. I don't have that much on this one. It's not a lot on that one. But I am doing a little bit at a time. Because especially for video's sake. And I'm not looking, I'm in my mirror, but I'm kind of using a camera monitor here. So it's making me move much slower than I usually move. Because I'm a teacher right now. And you guys are the students if you're watching this. Okay, so I got this much. And I don't like when it drip off. All right, so the last one is at my chair. Only have 1, 2, 3 strips so far. Yes, 3 strips so far, but so far you can see the difference. It's starting to look nicer. I'm a little red up here. That usually does not happen. So I do want to use my spoolie and start brushing upwards and get the little hairs that I missed. Okay, so this is how it usually goes. You want to use a magnifying mirror. You know, the ones where you flip it, it's a normal mirror. You flip it again, and then it's like all up in your mitt, all in your face. It's like all up in here. That's the one you want to use. That is really difficult to use that and record up close and zoom in and show you what's going on. So we just going to rock out with the mirror behind us. You know what? Let me actually turn the light up on the mirror. But I really hope I did a great job at explaining this, guys. This is the final look. Okay, I'm all done. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this helped you in the comments down below, and I will see you in like 2 days for my next video, which is the family trip to La Villa Orchards. Oh my lord, you see what, fuck it, you seen the eyebrows. Bye y'all.